Hi guys, see what is available in this video for you. Wow, it's beautiful toys. You see it. First of all, we see a racing car. Oh, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. Oh, so beauty. What is another item? We see it. Oh, it's another van. Wow. Wow, what is this? Yes, it is oil tanker. Oh ho ho. Very nice, very nice. We run away from the yellow toys. Wow, that is a beautiful van. Wow, another van. It is so cute. Oh, that is what is this? This is an messenger van. Wow, messenger bus. Oh, we find another tractor in yellow color. Wow. Oh, it is another tractor with roof. Wow, so beautiful. What? Wow, it is a big car in green. Wow, it is amazing car. Awesome. Wow. Oh, ये क्या? That is another tractor in green color. Wow. Wow, another tractor. Oh ho. ये देखिए. That is another bus for passenger. Number 004 powered. Wow. We see another item of toys. That is another racing car with 102 number. It is racing car. Wow. Oh, we find a heavy bike at which a man is present who signed the winning. Wow, it is most beautiful. Oh, another bus. Wow, we see blue toys. Wow, blue toys. Oh, first of all, blue tractor, Avison. Wow, amazing. We see another blue van. Wow, it is amazing. Wow. We see blue tractor. Oh ho. Without roof. It is used always in the farm. Wow. Black vehicle is unbelievable. Wow. We see in green toy. Wow. That is a JCB which is used to lift high weight. Wow. Ooh, we see another helicopter in green color. Wow. Wow, what is this? Oh, that is ambulance in the white color. Wow. We come to the another toy. Wow, many toy in the red color. Wow, what is this? Oh, this is Jeep. Wow. We see another tractor in red color. Oh ho ho. Wow. We see aeroplane in red color. We see another messenger bus in red color. It is unbelievable, remarkable bus which is used to messenger for travel. Wow. We see another oil tanker van. Wow. It is aeroplane. Wow, it's most beautiful. Unbelievable. Wow. What is this? This is JSP bulldozer. Oh ho ho, what is beauty? Wow. What is this? This is another van in red color. Wow. What is this? This is a white racing car. Unbelievable. And what is find we lost? Wow, we find at last a beautiful helicopter. Wow, it's amazing. So kids, please subscribe this video and comment it. What is this video?